afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Miss Becky.
So we've been studying our English. So today we're going to tear apart our sentence a little, and we're going to learn about 3 prepositions in every sentence. Prepositions are in, at, and on. And these 3 prepositions have to do with time and how we tell time differently. The first preposition is in. When the preposition in is often used in time phrases. Can you guys tell me some kind of time phrases you can think of? What are different ways we tell time?
Watches.
What's another way we tell time?
Digital clock.
Okay, let's think outside of class. What are other ways we tell what time it is? Not just it's 3 o'clock.
Computers.
Computers, yeah. What do we have up here, guys?
Calendar.
Calendar. What's in the calendar?
Saturday. Days a week.
Days of the week. Very good. So those are all different ways we say it's time. Another way that we say it's time is, what season is it right now?
Winter.
Winter, summer, spring. Those are all times. When in is used in this way, it's followed by noun phrases that show a general period of time. So this is any kind of time. This isn't specific. So the meaning of in plus a noun phrase is at some point during summer, I went swimming. Does that make sense? Okay. So for example, I'll see you in the morning. It's just a general time in the morning. I'm not going to be here in the afternoon. Or he lived there in 2002. It doesn't say when, it just says sometime in 2002 he lived there. So, tell me if you can remember. In tells me what kind of time?
Season.
You're close. What would we say? It's not specific, it's
Like day and year.
you're close. It was in the first PowerPoint slide, guys.
It tells like the day, like, or the time of the day.
You're close.
The general.
For those for guys.
General period.
General period of time. So whenever we have in, it's just kind of a blanketed time phrase.
So it's like a guess.
Kind of, yeah. Kind of like, I'll be there in the afternoon sometime. That's when we use in. Remember this, because I'm going to quiz you guys. Right. Next one is the preposition at. It's also used in time phrases, but it's different. When at is used in this way, it's followed by a noun phrase that shows a specific clock time. So,
Digital.
yep, so at. When you think at, think of the clock and think of your watch.
It's at 7:30.
Yep, you're close. So I'm going to leave at noon. I'm telling you exactly when I'm going to leave. I'll be there at 11:45
So now this is
a.m.
exact.
Now when you use at, it's exact. Like, I'm going to be there. Instead of, I might be there sometime. So next one is on. Again, it's going to be a little different. Preposition on is often used in time phrases too. When on is used in this way, it's followed by a noun phrase that shows a specific calendar time. So it's going to tell me what time of year or what day it's on. So for examples, I'll see you on Wednesday. I'm telling you the exact day I'm going to see you. Or I'm not going to be here on May 14th, which is true. I'm not going to be here on May 14th because school will be out. No, I won't. I'm thinking June. Yeah, never mind, guys. She went there on June 26th. So it's telling you exactly when she went somewhere.
That's when I won't be.
All right, so before we go forward, hang on. Go back one. So, I'm going to see if you guys are paying attention. When do we use in? Give it a shot.
And we use in when, like, when I'm gonna come in at 11 o'clock.
Not quite.
It's like a guess, like you're not sure.
You're close. It's a G word. Looking for it.
Oh, general.
The general time.
General time. So it is just general time. It's a blanket time. All right. How about in? When do we use in?
You just
Sit down.
I just did that one. At. When do we use at?
At a specific time.
Specific time. When do we use on? A calendar time. All right, guys. Now we're going to do the task. And for this one, guys, don't shout out the word. Raise your hand. Okay? Sam will be there awake at 1:30 p.m.
Sam will be there at 1:30 p.m.
Good job. All right, keep it going, you guys. All right, so that was group 2, 4, 5, 6. All right, next one. Alexa was there blank this summer.
In.
Hunter turned 2 blank 2004. Allie?
on.
No? No?
Wait, interesting.
In.
In. Got it. Remember, whenever there's just a blanketed at some point, that is in. Alright. She was going to Orlando blank January.
In January.
In January. Good job. My appointment, guys, put your hands down so I can see who's finished. My appointment is blank for 30 p.m.
At 4:30 p.m.
Ashley and AJ were born blank a Saturday. Oh man, this is a hard one.
On a Saturday.
On a Saturday. Very good, guys. Okay, I think that's the end of this. I think that's. Alright, so we're going to remember the rules. For this part, you're going to use your sheets of paper. Divided into 3 parts. 3 parts. Yep. Right. For the top one, you're going to write it real big on your paper. You use me in a sentence for a time on the clock. Which preposition do you use for times on the clock? Write it on your paper, guys, on the top part. Alright, second one, in the middle part. You use me for a time on the calendar. Which preposition do you use to talk about time on the calendar?